morning, it's 8:35 and we are at Odessa in Tracy. We came to pick up this one vehicle and it's 35 degrees. It's pretty cold. So we have an SUV. It's a small SUV. So where are you going to line up the ramps?
One, two, three. On the third spot of the mesh. All right.
Or if you're coming from this side, it's the first big area.
No, I always go for the beam right here.
Oh, okay.
Start from the beam. 1, 2, 3.
Got it.
Beam. 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Line that up with that. Okay, ready?
This is for a small SUV. It's a medium size, and he's just telling me now, I'm going to drive it up, that it's wet. The trailer is wet, so to be careful. So here we go. The SUV is loaded. Sorry I didn't take you with me, but it was wet, so I had to be careful. And you'll notice the vehicle is pretty much in the middle of the ramp. I mean, pretty much in the middle of the trailer. And he loaded it a little higher than middle position because we are going to be picking up a truck that's going to go here. So basically, when you're loading your trailer, you already have to figure out what you're doing next. That way you can put your vehicle where it needs to be and you won't have to move your vehicles around as much. So he left, like I said, plenty of room here for a truck. It's 9:03 and we just arrived at Tracy Toyota. We're gonna pick up a Toyota truck. I believe it's a Tundra. And it's gonna be located, she said, here to the right. Looks like this is our truck. I'm gonna go ahead and take photos, jot down all the issues, and then we will load it up.
1, 2, 3, 4.
So 4.
The fourth spot.
Counting from the middle bar, and this is for a medium-sized truck.
It's almost like a full size.
Okay, almost a full size.
Well, this is the big V8. This is the full size truck Toyota makes.
Oh, it's 9:43. We're on the Altamont. We're on our way to Mannheim in Hayward. It's very green. We're going downhill. He has 2 vehicles, an SUV and a truck. And as you can tell, he's not using the brakes. However, he is using the transmission. The transmission is braking for us.
It's called the Ison transmission.
Sorry, the Ison transmission is braking for us.
On the Dodge 5500.
On this Dodge 5500.
Okay. Here.
So we're going downhill. He's going to go ahead and push the brake one time, and that's going to put us into lower gear.
So film the speedometer and the mileage, how fast I'm going. Okay, I'm going to push on the brake pedal right now.
Go ahead.
See how the RPM drop and catch the lower gear. So I'm doing 65. I want to maintain 65. Start using the exhaust brakes.
And is that over here?
It's over here. That's the exhaust brakes on the 5500.
It's 10:25 and we just arrived at Mannheim in Hayward, and we're going to go ahead and deliver the Toyota Tundra. Now the parking lot is super busy, so he went ahead and parked on the side of the street since it's only one vehicle. And we just arrived at Avis in Oakland at the airport, and we're going to go ahead and drop off this Nissan We parked in front of a business. There's not much parking, but I did get permission. It's 11:27 and we just arrived in Oakland at a recovery location. And since we have an appointment, all 3 of the vehicles are already ready. They're ready to be loaded. He's going to go inside, check in, and get the keys. Meanwhile, I'm out here going to take photos, jot down all the issues. That way when he returns, I'll be ready to be loaded. First car is loaded. And this car is going to Pleasanton. So of course, when you're picking up vehicles, you need to know, you need to remember or figure out where you're going. That way you can load them in the correct position. Now these 2 vehicles here are going to Manheim and Hayward. All 3 vehicles are loaded. This one, he didn't back it up, but he went all the way forward, and he's using his exterior hook, so it has an overhang of, I don't know, maybe 2 foot. And there's a small gap there. A small gap there. And there's plenty of room back here. So you just have to look at your vehicles if they need to be backed up or not, if they have an overhang, and we're ready to go to Pleasanton. All are loaded. It's 12:10 p.m. We're on our way to Manheim and Hayward, and since you're riding along with us today, this is what's for lunch. It's a Costco breaded sandwich, well, Costco bread, Costco ham, avocado, some Costco organic spinach, and that's our lunch with bottled water. We just arrived at Manheim in Hayward. We're going to go ahead and, like I said before, deliver these 2 vehicles. As I drive these 2 vehicles in, he's going to go ahead and lower the Honda to the middle position. $12:47. As I was delivering the vehicles, he moved the vehicle. This one, the Civic, strapped it down. Now we're ready to head out. Now this is a recovery vehicle. Car's checked in. CarMax employee is going to drive it onto their lot, and we are ready to go. We're going to head out to Odessa again and pick up 1 vehicle. Hope you're enjoying our ride along today.
Left. Stay off the phone. You're gonna mess up. Go to the left. Go to the right. Straighten it out. Stop. Stop. Gee, go back.
It's 2:33. This morning when we were here, I was freezing. Now it's getting pretty warm. Loaded this last vehicle up. He's going to go ahead and strap all 4 wheels. First, with anything with practice, you get pretty quick. We were only here a few minutes, and he's already on his last strap on that side. It's 3:30, and we just arrived at Valley Kia in Modesto to deliver this 1 vehicle. And once we deliver this, we'll be finished for the day, which is good because I'm tired and I want to go home. 3:35, vehicle's delivered, and we are finally done.